Of course,
Exactly.
Ruby De Leon was their setter at the time, and Ruby De Leon at the
Oh,
time, hindi siya naglalaro.
galing talaga ng memory mo.
Just a little bit of research. Too much information from volleyball. Nice defense by Luan Latigay, the former MVP.
Like good anticipation, good read.
So 2-1. First point in the second set for PLDT Home Ultera. Ferrer. So we mentioned the former finals MVP. Rosale.
Oh.
Dug up by Ferrer. Nicely done.
Oh,
Lazaro gets it across. Espelita. Rosale with the left hand. Rosale to serve. Lazaro. Ferrer. And that was 3 Ateneo players touching the ball. Lazaro, Ferrer to Soriano. Valencia. Lazaro. Ferrer, one hand set to Mendiola. Acepcion is there. Espelita. Magsumbol. Lazaro. Galing sa likod. Latigay. Espelita. Magsumbol again. Off speed. Long rally. Casilag. Buhay pa rin. And that. Suroses. Espelita. Magsumbol. Ando si Mendiola. One more time around. Magsumbol. Lazaro this time. Back set now for Roses.
good dig.
Wow, better defense now by the Philippine Coast Guard. Casilag. Dropping it in.
Right, just an off speed for Casilag. She's out of what's
Be part of it. Montero. Lazaro. Ferrer dumping it over. Free ball from Espelita. Quick set now to Mendiola. We are tied at 7. Actually, one of the coaches of my eldest daughter.
Oh, really?
So, I have to tell her now that, hey, you know what? Your coach has a different hairstyle. But she's still playing very well. Makabuhay sending it across. Ferrer, Soriano.
Oh, good dig by Espelita.
Across now from Magsumbol. Latigay, yes!
Finds the hole between the blockers. That's enough.
Rosale. Lazaro. Ferrer, angat. Latigay. And that's a miss by Rosale to serve. Denden. Jem. Su. Jurgorayev stick with this unit.
Well, you know, here in the second set.
Let's see. That was a bullet serve coming from Makabuhay. Fooling even, what's this, the best libero or the best receiver in the UAAP.
In the UAP, right.
Another one. And that one just goes out. Barely.
Barely, but good read there by Denden Lazaro.
13-11 is the former MVP taken. Luan Latigay out of San Sebastian. Still playing for a former coach.
Yeah,
Montero missing.
sayang.
6'2 si Mendiola, 5'10 si
Mga
Roses.
six.
So, 6'1 pa nga yata yung average height dyan. A miss by Makabuhay. Tied at 13. Marami itong Philippine Coast Guard, but Coast Guard is now up by 3. Charo.
Good dig.
That was Valencia with the dig. Magsumbol with the left hand. Kabila. Eliza. Ruby. Hulog. Nando si Rosale. Makabuhay and she will score off of Charo Soriano. Uy. Kaya sumenyos kagad si Charo dito mawin.
Oo. Tsaka in front of our second referee,
Right.
si Choi Bukid.
Right. Eliza. Here is Magsumbol. Lazaro. Running attack for Charo. Supposed to be a net violation somewhere. Was not called. And I think that distracted Philippine Coast Guard.
That's right. No, but it did not impede play.
Right.
So that's not a violation.
Tayo Home Ultera. Pinabati ko lang isang kaibigan ko si Christina Maralit. Ewan ko ba't nagpapabati ka. Paus na nga ako, Tina, nagpapabati ka pa. Sayang ang extra effort. Pero hope you're enjoying. Makabuhay.
Good dig.
Combination now for Luan Latigay. Yes.
It's too long. Sayang again, no?
From the first set, oh, layo. Roses, yes.
I told ya.
Tied at 22. Eto na, mabigat na. Kept alive. Not anymore. Service ace for Luan Latigay. And that was a close one for PLDT Homolterra. 20 as walang Ruby De Leon, walang Jaja Santiago. They kept it close.
But still a formidable team, ah.
Right. Well, let's see now if PLDT Homolterra can continue their pull away, which is what they are doing at this moment. Ready na daw, si Rina Villamor. Go ahead, Rina. Team standings. Babagsak sila to the cellar.
Yeah, but you know, the way Coast Guard played today,